Everyone, by the birdwalk area here in the Jerusalem Zoo. Let's check this out over here, friends. Over here's a bird walk. There's tons of birds all over here. This is in the Jerusalem Zoo, quite near the Malcha area in Jerusalem. Absolutely amazing. Got a whole selection of birds over here. As we enter, it talks the bird walk over here. Describes the different birds. You can see all different species of birds over here. Beautiful walk. Nothing beats Jerusalem and Israel over here. Got a whole collection of birds over here in Jerusalem. It's a bird walk in Jerusalem in the zoo.